Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a short tutorial on learning how to use Mailchimp. Before we start, I'd like to mention that there is a link to a free trial of Mailchimp in the description below. So if you just scroll down to the description and click that link, it'll take you to a completely free trial of Mailchimp for you to try out. With that said, let's get on with the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do when learning how to use Mailchimp is first add your contact list. So to do that, we just go to Audience and All Contacts, and that'll bring up all the contacts that we have. So I've already got a few, but if you haven't got any, you can just go to Add Contacts, and then you can either add your contacts individually one by clicking Add Subscriber. So that would bring up this page here. You can also, if you want to do something that doesn't take as much time, import contacts that you already have. And the most common way you do that is by uploading a CSV file. It's very easy to create one of these. But as I've already got my contacts, I'm just going to go back to our All Contacts form. So once you have your contacts here, you just want to make sure to double check that they are all subscribed. So here it says my audience has 7 contacts and all 7 of them are subscribers. But sometimes you might say if you briefly unsubscribed someone by doing that, you might forget to resubscribe them again. So don't forget to just double check that. So that's quite important to our next step. So to then actually create our email campaign, we go to Campaigns and then click Create Campaign. And then we have all these options. So we can create a landing page, we can create an automation, or we can click on create a regular email, which is what we're doing today. So what that'll do then is it'll bring up a page which gives us the ability to choose between 2 things. We can either choose between the new builder beta or the classic builder. So we're just going to stick with the classic builder today. And that'll bring us up all these templates to choose from. So we've got these basic layouts that we can choose from that you know, if you're looking for something that's very not got a lot going on so far, you know, you can edit to be however you want. That might be great for you. If you're looking for a bit more inspiration though, you can go to themes, and we've got all these lovely themes to choose from here. But I'm just going to pick this one for today. So that'll just load this page now. And once this page is loaded, what we'll be able to do is, so if we scroll our mouse over the page, we can see that there's lots of customizable elements. So we've got this image here that if we double click, we can change the size here on the side. We can also replace it if we wanted to. So you'd have to upload your own image, as unlike other email marketing softwares, Mailchimp doesn't provide you with stock images. But it does at least have GIFs to pick from. So I'm just going to pick, what's a nice one we could choose? We could pick this one here. So that'll just replace the image for us here. And it's kind of big, it's a bit dominating the page now. So we'll just make it a bit smaller by doing this. We can also very easily edit text just by double clicking on it, which will bring up this page on the right where we can just very easily edit the text by typing. But you can keep customizing that as much as you want. I'm pretty happy with that for now, so we're just going to go to Continue and we'll just click Maybe Later. That'll bring up this page. So we've already done the design elements. Now we can just do the settings elements. So first of all, what we want to do is click Edit Name. And we're just going to change that to, we'll keep it simple today. We'll just call it Tutorial. And click Save. We also have the ability here to edit our recipients. For now, it's just set to all the contacts that we've added and have in our audience. We can also change the email that this sends from here. So you can do that by clicking here. Going down now, We also have the ability to change the subject by clicking there. So this is required for you to send out your email. So I'm just going to again change this to tutorial and click save. And there we go. So we've done the bare minimum now that lets us send the email. You can also go back into your content and edit the design by clicking there. We also have a couple more options. We can add a social post to our campaign. We can also change the tracking settings here. So if we had added a link into our email, we would be able to toggle the settings here to allow us to see how many people had clicked on that link. But for now, I think I'm pretty happy with this email. So we're just going to click send and then again, send now. And that's going to send out our email now to all the contacts that we had in our audience. And there we go, that's been sent. So that's how to use Mailchimp. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments section. And before I end this video, I would like to mention that there's a link in the description below for a software that can rank your website instantly by using videos. This might be very interesting to anyone looking for more traffic and sales to their website, so make sure to check it out if that's something you might need. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.